The police have made yet another major gun seizure, this time in St. Catherine. 9 guns, including 3 M16 rifles, were seized during an operation on the Edward Seaga Highway, Anthony Lugg reports.
2 men being whisked away in handcuffs Friday night, shortly after the discovery of several high-powered weapons in St. Catherine. Reports indicate that the police, acting on information, carried out an operation along the Edward Seaga Highway in the vicinity of the Linstead exit. Deputy Commissioner Fitz Bailey spoke with our news team.
2 cars were intercepted and we discovered a significant amount of weapons. So far, I can say we have identified at least 3 high-powered weapons in the consignment. The search is continuing.
By early Saturday morning, the figures had increased. The total, 9 guns and 440 rounds of assorted ammunition.
These weapons are not here as toy. They are here to kill people, to take lives.
It's early days yet, and already 2 persons are in custody. The police say criminals are intent on getting their firearms into the country. However, DCP Bailey says the police will not let up.
And I think it's time for us as Jamaican to become aware of the reality. This is a crisis.
Up to May 27, 594 people were murdered in the country. That's a 7% increase when compared to the same period last year. 80% of the country's homicides are committed by the gun. DCP Bailey says the level of crime and violence in Jamaica requires stronger legislation and more support from law-abiding citizens.
And we are going to continue to fool ourselves if we believe that the level of violence and crime that we are seeing is normal. And when there's abnormal situation, we need to find a different way. There is no police force in the world that can investigate 1,600 homicides or 1,400 homicides per year. It's almost impossible. And I think the way forward is for citizens to cooperate with the law enforcement agency. And all of us as a nation, that joined up approach toward the problem of crime and violence is very, very important.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.